It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Okay, y'all, we are back for another full set. Okay, as always, I'm going to start by prepping. Pushing the cuticle back, filing the nails, removing that cuticle with a cuticle bit, going forward and in reverse, and then I'm going to etch the surface of the nail. After that, I will go in with my tips. She wanted kind of like a medium kind of length, so that's what we did. And I went in with a clear on all of the nails except for on the ring finger. I did go in with like a kind of nude color. She picked out 2 gel polishes. She wanted the glittery color on the ring finger, and I didn't want it to be see-through. So that's why I put the nude down first. With my application, sometimes I start at the cuticle, sometimes I start in the middle, and sometimes I start at the tip. It really just depends on how I'm feeling that day. I did go in and cap the nude. However I can get it build up, that's what I do sometimes. I haven't really found like a kind of go-to, like this is my method that I'm gonna always use yet. For me, it kind of depends on the product that I'm using, the monomer, like all of that kind of stuff kind of depends on how I work with it. Also, I did use a dehydrator and a primer, although I did not show it. So as we approach the end, if I see anything that needs more acrylic, I do go back in after everything has cured. I feel like after everything has cured, you can kind of see how everything kind of shifted and moved and all that. So before I finish, I do go look at all of them to make sure that I don't need to add anything else. Then I move on to my filing, shaping, buffing, all of that good stuff. I am using my Melody Susie drill, so if you are in the market for a new drill, definitely check them out. I do have their site and my coupon code in the description bar. They have a lot of sales, so definitely check them out. So this is the set after I went in with the polish. Definitely let me know in the comments if you love it. I absolutely did love it. I used the glitter from Hewitt and this solid color from Born Pretty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. Make sure that you give me a big thumbs up on this video. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see you in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.